Good afternoon again, if you will please. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back, as it were. I think we have a fun video today. We all have heard of the shipping of persons coming across the southern border to northern tier states, cities, and areas. Well, when Governor Ron DeSantis shipped 2 busloads of illegal aliens to Martha's Vineyard. Now, here's what I know about Martha Vineyard. The houses are, some are very, very big, some are very large, some are quite small. The average are maybe like 2,200 square feet, which is not a small house. But considering the prices they're charging for these homes and properties, it's pretty dinky. Anyway, more to the point, Ron DeSantis ships like 100 or over 100 aliens to Martha's Vineyard. And now the question is being asked, why won't Barack Obama, whose real name is Barry Soetoro, he's an Indonesian Muslim, wondering why he won't house these people. You notice I chuckle because it is that funny. Indonesians, to my knowledge, now mind you, I haven't been down there, which is thousands of miles from where I'm sitting, in over 40 years. From what I witnessed at that time, Indonesians do not accept, for the lack of a better term, refugees. They certainly don't accept migrants or illegals. They don't do it. Why? They just don't accept it. Going back to Martha's Vineyard, Barry Soetoro, former placed Oval Office non-holder, will not house these people because of his national heritage. And his national heritage is not American. He is a staunch Indonesian. And a lot of people wonder why he had bowed to the Prime Minister of China, because Indonesia is a Chinese-run territory. By culture, he has to bow. He has to bow. Now, mind you, in that country, when you go there, if you are not respectful to their homes, you can be jailed and even killed. I've seen it. If you do not honor and respect their ways, period, you will suffer greatly. So, going back to the question, why won't Barry Soetoro house these people? Basically, by culture, he's doesn't have to, and he's not going to do it. Now, here's the thing. From what I understand, this has just been a couple of days now. Every single homeowner in Martha's Vineyards is complaining. These people, those people, these people. What are we going to do? Well, what you're going to do is realize that we, the people, are tired of having hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of billions of tax dollars, our money, taken out of our back pocket to do the very same thing you refuse to do because you are left-wing hypocrites. You want, you take, you want more, you take more, but you give nothing except grief. You give nothing but complaints. That's what you've done your entire life. That's why your entire life premise fits the definition of the word that starts with an N and ends with an ER. Notice I don't say the word. Why? It's that disgusting. But that's what you people are. You are the worst kind of egregious hypocrites. You are the worst kind of ethnic bigots. And I don't use the R word because it's used improperly. What you call others, which is racist, you are! God bless people. Have a great day.